Despite being President Emmerson Mnangagwa's special advisor, Paul Tungwarara has found himself in the center of controversy following accusations by former ZANU-PF official Themba Mliswa. Sarabina mashikobranyi kwachinzi ZANU-PF in turmoil. Tungwarara caught in factional crossfire. Not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tribuna mu ZVAITWA mabranyi chiti. In an explosive statement on X on Tuesday, Mliswa claimed ZANU-PF is a dangerous creature which no one individual should too soon profess to comprehend, as to recklessly twirl around as with a personal pendant. In its wake lie the shells of many who soon bequeathed themselves powers they couldn't handle. Mliswa expressed concern over Tungwarara's role within the party, saying, "Tungwarara is a cherished confidant with whom I engage in candid dialogue, making it all more disconcerting to witness how he has become ensnared and manipulated by the machinations of VP Chiwenga faction." He cited a recent gathering in Magalingaland as evidence of what he described as a factional attempt to undermine perceived rivals in quotes. The recent gathering in Manicaland, featuring the unusual presence of Chris Muchangwa, who conspicuously neglects his own events in Mashonaland West, served as a blatant Tagure character assassination exercise, Mliswa said. Beneath the veneer of platitudes towards the party and the president was a transparent conspiracy designed to belittle and undermine Tagure, who is perceived as a formidable competitor to VP Chiwenga, he added. Mliswa accused the faction of recruiting influential party figures to their cause. The faction has already been corralling some old horses and some young and giddy horses for its camp. It's known how Chris Muchangwa is the carrot of female VP Diamond for year with Obetumpo for the other VP. Tino Machakaire with youth and Chinomona with women are some of the party functionaries who are nicodemously selling out the party and undermining their leader ED in a scheme designed to thwart all perceived rivals, including Tagure, he said. He also warned about the personal consequences for Tungwarara, stating, with the likes of Chris, who has years of scheming and chasing after power, my friend Tungwarara becomes a victim whose innocent and juvenile excitement is bubbling forth. May choke him one day. It's said, my brother, seeing you hijacked by power-hungry vultures. Thomas Kwantoga pangwa ino aiwa na Mliswa accused Tungwarara chimuti aiwa uruge uchipiwa ma-advices ne people from the Chiwenga faction. Ebodza mafunguro not kudipa msoro apitemo pangwa ino yavamo mu the ruling party ZANU-PF. Tukunot mane chaos yakanyanyisa mane kurisana kwa kanyanya. Pinako message medu za funguro subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.